She's pregnant, Dad.
She's what?
She's pregnant.
Funke! Funke! Funke tó sínú lẹ́yìn ọ̀tẹ̀ ti jáde. She what?
She's pregnant.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. She's what?
She's pregnant.
Pregnant? Ha! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Ọmọdún mẹ́rìndínlógún, 16 years. Jesus! You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE, no A-level, you will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant. I really meant what I'm saying. Pregnant? How old is she?
She's 14.
14, Jesus is Lord. 14? You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Well, I love her.
Likey